Okay, everybody, here we go. We have a new unboxing, shoes made in Spain. Here they are. It's a bunch of shoes in here. I think there are 4 pairs. I have not opened it yet. A lot of times when I do these unboxing videos, I get so excited about the new shoes and the new designs that I open them before I even do the video, but I still call it unboxing. So we're going to crack this baby open, check out all these amazing shoes inside, and show them to you one by one. Here we go. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe of suitcafe.com. And hopefully some of you have had the time to take a look at the website. A lot of new things we have up there, but we're designing a completely new website. We're going to be adding a lot of new items for men, of course, luxury items for men, not just suits and new ties from the new collection like the one I have on. And of course, a lot of new shoes coming up for spring, summer, including a new sole, which is a flexi sole. You could twist the shoe and bend the shoe around. The top is leather, the bottom has a leather sole, beautifully lightweight. You could wear it without socks, and we're going to be putting those up on the website pretty soon. But this video here is the unboxing of new shoes that we've designed and made for our customers. And I'm going to open this box. I just walked in with it. It's right down below at my feet. Got the scissors here. We're going to slice this one open, and we're going to see what's inside. Excuse the top of my head for a minute. Okay, here we go. We have 4 boxes of shoes here. Oh, I think 2 of them may be the same shoe. Let's see. So let's see. We'll get this first one open. And here we go. The box of shoes right here. Let's see where I'm going to put this down. Maybe I'll put it right here just on the side. We'll unopen this for the first time. Ooh, I could already smell the leather. You know that smell, that new leather smell. I could already smell that leather. Okay, we're going to get one shoe out here. And we're going to see how these came out and what they are exactly. Here you go. The unboxing of the shoe out of the shoe bag. And wow, look at that shoe. That is a stunning, stunning shoe. I'll explain in a minute with that blue bottom. Beautiful blue hand-sewn leather bottom. These are Goodyear welted shoes. Goodyear welting is the most advanced way to make a shoe. All hand sewn with a layer of cork underneath the leather here, which does a few things, which I'll explain in a minute. But this shoe is cognac, patina, and denim. So this is actually denim. This is from jeans, selvage denim right here, built into the shoe. And for those of you who want to know, we could put any fabric in the shoe, any fabric that you want. You have a suit, you want to put your fabric from the suit in the shoe itself to match your suit. We can do that. Just you send the fabric, we send it off to the factory in Spain, and they will input that wool fabric or whatever fabric it might be. Of course, it's got to be a little durable, like a denim is a thick, heavy, durable denim, or a nice wool, worsted wool that would go in the shoe. But this is the denim, and the patina, which is the hand-rubbed, hand-painted finish on that shoe there. And this, we have the matching blue bottom to go with the blue denim. Laces are also blue, navy blue here. And the interior lining, I believe, is also navy blue. The tongue is also denim. So the tongue is denim. That's something that could be changed. If you don't want the denim tongue, you want to have the patina tongue in this color, you could have the tongue in that color as well. So I think this is just a stunning, beautiful, beautiful shoe. You could change this. You could have it all leather. You could change the materials, all on the website. Change it any way you want. I don't remember how much this shoe was. I don't remember. I think this one is around $500 or $450, something like that is what the price is of this particular shoe. So there you go. This size the slightly square toe there. So another beautiful, and the medallion too, right there on the toe. Another beautiful feature of this shoe. So that's the first one there. We'll put this one back. Obviously the other one's the same. And we'll take out the next one so you can see what that one is like. Okay, we want to put these back. These are going to get shipped out tomorrow to their respective customers. So that's one there. Let me just check, because I think the next box is actually the same shoe. But let's just see. The next box looks like, yeah, the same shoe, but this is a bigger size. That was a size 10. Let's see now. This is 12, I believe. Let's just look at the difference in the sizing. Yeah, the same shoe. And let's just see. There you go. So this is size a little Dusty feather. So this is size 12. So now you see a 12. If you want to just get a little difference of the sizing there, you could see that. The bottom. I don't know, does it help if it goes closer? I'm not sure. There you could see it closer. Yeah, it helps if it goes nice, beautiful. You could see it closer there. Really nice. So this is a 4K video, I believe. I'm set to 4K, not exactly sure. But giving you a beautiful idea of what that shoe looks like. Okay, so that one we saw it again, just a larger size, but you could see in any size, they just come out really stunning. I mean, really stunning. These particular shoes, just so you know, we have two productions. This one takes 27 days to make. So we waited that long to get these shoes, but we have another production which is available, which is 7 days. So those shoes ship 7 days from Spain, and then they come here to New York, and then we ship them out to our customers. So here we go. The next one is... Okay, this one is another beautiful shoe. Let's take a look at this one. I'm not even sure what this one is, but let's see. Oh boy, this is a really special shoe. Different type completely. Let's open this up here. Oh boy, look at this. This is something, I mean, really, really special. So here we have, let's take the plastic off. Wow, look at the coloration. Look at the coloration of that shoe. I mean, is that something that's gorgeous and unusual when you go to a room or you go to a party or you wear this? I mean, you could wear this with jeans, you can wear it with a suit, you could wear it with linen pants in the summertime. I mean, it's just a beautiful shoe. Here you have cognac patina and you have red patina here built in. A little bit of burnishing around the eyelets here, all the way around the shoe, red laces. And this is called the wedge sole. So there you have the wedge sole. This is very, oh, I just dropped the box on the floor. This is very, very lightweight, super lightweight. Doesn't weigh anything at all. So really, really nice. Really nice. And this is 12 and a half. So this is not a small size. So there you get an idea of how the shoe looks. You know, even in a 12 and a half, which is slightly larger size, it doesn't look like a gargantuan shoe. Some shoe manufacturers, when they make you a pair of shoes, especially in this size, it just looks like you got monster feet. Now, I'm a size 12. This is a half a size larger than I wear. It's not for me, of course. And the inside is the orange. So there you have the orange leather on the inside, red laces, red patina, and cognac patina. Really a gorgeous, gorgeous shoe. And if you notice the welting, which is this part over here, this is the welting, if you can see it. Right here is the welting. That is also red. So that's something you can choose too. You could choose the color of the welting. So, I mean, this is stunning. I would wear these shoes in a minute, even with this suit. I'd wear it with this. I'd wear it with the classic navy pinstripe. I think it's fantastic with this suit, especially in spring and summertime. You know, this suit could be very, very classic and very, very conservative, but it doesn't have to be. You could update it. You know, this has a ticket pocket. You see, you got the one pocket here, one pocket below. But you can make it a little fun. Put these shoes on and make this suit nice and fun. Okay, we got one more coming up. Let's see what that one is. And actually, this one is a boot, because I see the box is bigger. So I'm going to leave the box. This is a bigger box. I'm going to leave it down here. And I will pick up the shoe and take it out for you. Okay, so here we go. Here we have a boot. Right here, we will do the unveiling of what this is. Wow, okay, nice. This is a black suede, it looks like. So here we go. Black suede chukka boot. So the chukka boot, you can see there, has the two laces, just like that. Beautifully made in the black suede. And I want you to see the sole, because this has a beautiful special sole. Look at that sole. Combination leather with the rubber inset dimples, all hand sewn all the way around. That's hand sewn stitch all the way around there. Beautiful soft suede. You could just see how nice and soft that is. But what's really nice about this, shoe, is I want to show you, is that the edge of the sole is right up close to the edge of the suede. So when you wear this shoe, it's got a very low profile. It's not wide off of the upper. It's very close to the edge of the upper. So that makes for a nice, clean, sleek look. And you can see it right there. You don't actually see the edge of the sole coming out. Some shoes, depending on the construction, the sole sort of sticks out a little bit. Now, some people like that. Some people don't. I personally like a very clean, sleek look, which this shoe has. And here you can see it has the markings on the bottom. It's Suede Cafe, made in Spain. Let's just see what the lining is on the inside. If it's all black with black lining. And yes, this is all black with black lining on the inside, but super soft, beautiful suede. And these can be worn with suits, with jeans, with just a pair of trousers if you want, with a blue blazer, or if you have another kind of sports jacket you could wear it with. But you know, this kind of thing, a chukka boot. Actually, there was a prior video that I did unboxing, which was my own personal shoe, which was this type of shoe, but in the chocolate brown suede. I had the day-night sole, which was the full rubber, heavy-duty rubber bottom, really for the winter. And the inside was purple leather. So it's chocolate brown with the purple leather on the inside. That was my own personal shoe, if you want to look up that unboxing. Maybe one video ago from this one. So there is that one there. With this is a really nice sole. We offer two combinations. This one has the dimples, and we offer a more rugged, like a mountain type of sole, but also incorporating the leather in between. So we have that one as well. There's a lot of soles to choose from. There's a military sole, depending on the shoe. You might want to put a military sole on the bottom. The wedge sole, then there's different color rubber soles. You could put red or brown or navy or royal blue on the bottom if you want. And of course, when it comes to the leather sole, like the first shoe I showed you, you could put the color on the bottom. If you want red bottoms, like a Christian Louboutin, or you want navy blue bottoms, or you want forest green, if you want to match it with what's on the top, you could easily do that. So, there you go. That's the unboxing for today. We had the one boot right here. I'll just show you that again. That's the chukka boot. So chukka boot right there. Then we had this beautiful, I guess you would call this a long wing blucher. That's a long wing blucher where the stitching goes all the way down the side like that and all the way around. That's a long wing blucher with the wedge sole. So something very, very different. So you could take a look at that one there with the orange lining. And I will take out one more time the other one, which was with the denim. So you have this one here, the patina with the actual real denim. This is not painted. This is not leather. This is real denim fabric set in here. This is also the long wing blucher with the real denim. And the tongue itself is also denim right there too. And this has the blue leather bottom, full leather. Let's give you one more look at that one there. You can take a look at that if you like it this way better, maybe. I'm not sure. And hopefully you like this unboxing and you like these shoes, because there's so many beautiful designs on the website, and you could design your own. That's the most amazing thing. Designing your own shoes, choosing what you want, your own personal taste. So when you walk into a room, guess what? Nobody has what you have. So I'll catch you all again when I'm back at it.